The Huawei Nova 15 Pro will be a premium mid-range smartphone. Unboxing the Huawei Nova 15 series reveals a bold shift in mid-range luxury with a strong focus on flagship level photography. The smartphone will be powered by Kirin chipset, which offers solid performance and with a powerful octa-core CPU. RAM will be 8 and 12 GB and storage will be 256 and 512 GB. The phone will be feature a LTPO OLED touchscreen display, 1.5K resolution, to be around 6.84 inches screen size with a 120Hz refresh rate, offering a smooth and high quality viewing experience. There will be triple camera setup back on this phone. Main sensor will be 50 megapixel wide and third will be 12 megapixel telephoto lens. The dual front facing camera will be equally impressive. There will be under display ultrasonic fingerprint reader. Battery capacity will be a 6000 mAh and user can recharge the phone with a 100-watt fast charging. That's all for now. Friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.